Introduction: the ultimate waxing showdown. Who actually tolerates waxing better, men or women? Does experience matter, or is pain tolerance just different? We break it down with science, real reactions, and expert insights. Stay until the end for surprising results. The science behind pain tolerance. Men and women perceive pain differently due to biology. Hormones like estrogen can impact pain sensitivity. Does pain tolerance improve with repeated waxing? First-time waxing shock. Who freaks out more? The first rip is always the worst. Common fears: redness, swelling, and unbearable pain. Do men handle the initial shock worse than women? Waxing areas. Who has it worse? Women wax legs, arms, and underarms regularly. Men often wax chest, back, and sometimes facial hair. Which areas are considered the most painful? The facial expression test. Who shows more pain? Does a clenched jaw mean higher pain tolerance? Women might be more used to the sensation. Men's reactions are often extreme and hilarious. The verbal response challenge. Who complains more? Screaming vs silent suffering. Who's louder? Common phrases: this is worse than I thought. Do men exaggerate, or is their pain real? Speed vs endurance, quick pull or slow suffering. Some prefer a fast rip, others need it slow. Women may tolerate long waxing sessions better. Men might struggle through their first experience. Who recovers faster? Redness and irritation. Who experiences more? Do men's thicker hairs make waxing worse? Women often know the best post-waxing care tips. What speeds up healing and reduces discomfort? The thick hair factor. Does it make a difference? Men's hair is often coarser. Does this make waxing worse? Women's finer hair may cause less resistance. Thicker hair might mean more pain, but is it true? The psychological factor. Who handles pain better? Mind over matter. Can you mentally reduce pain? Do women naturally prepare better for waxing? Men may struggle more due to lack of experience. Expert opinions. What do waxing pros say? Who do professional waxers say handles it better? Common trends seen in salons worldwide. Does muscle tension make waxing worse? Relaxation techniques that actually help. The audience challenge. Share your thoughts. Ever tried waxing? Drop your experience in the comments. What was your most painful waxing moment? Who do you think handles it better, men or women? Let's settle this debate once and for all. The funniest waxing reactions caught on camera: screams, jumps, and unexpected reactions. The funniest waxing fails you can't unsee. Some people handle it like warriors, others, not so much. The final verdict: who's the waxing champion? Based on all the tests, who truly handles it better? Does experience outweigh natural pain tolerance? Is it really a gender thing, or just mindset? Like, subscribe, and watch more. Enjoyed this showdown? Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay smooth.